Oops, already over my time. Okay, so that was the first 10 minutes. So, okay, so when they have an actual account on here, they can save their work. It gets saved with a weird name. I don't actually know how to change that, but you can change the name here. They can edit them. We're going to talk about reversion control. You can fork a tree on here, which is something they will care about later, but all right, so this is a nice thing, so we can do lots of different languages without you having to upload a lot of stuff. Okay, and they can do their stuff on here. Okay, so that's IDE 1. The next thing they need is a tinkercad.com account, and I believe AutoCAD is targeting this towards kids, so I think if they put in their actual age, which I do believe this is one of the sites that it's safe to give that actual information to, that's up to you. It wants to protect their data, so it's probably waiting. Some of the students weren't able to get all the way through this to get to this page yet because they're waiting for the email confirmation. So you probably need to go back into your email that your student used and confirm that they're allowed to have this account. So the great thing about this is Tinkercad is done by AutoCAD, and it's a way of putting these tools in the kids' hands. The nice thing, we won't use this part, but it was really designed at the beginning for 3D models, and they can create designs, hit create new design, and they can create a 3D design. Now this 3D design can be 3D printed, it can be incorporated into a game, all sorts of things. So this is a way to get them up and running in kind of beginning steps for this 3D world that's happening. And really take advantage of these lessons. I mean, they're just fantastic. So the lessons are really going to help them understand how to move around in this three-dimensional world. But the reason why we're using it is for programming, and it falls under circuits. So the thing, it names everything for you and saves it, which is really nice. After a while. But the thing they need to be able to do is when they hit circuits and everything is confirmed, this green button that says create a new circuit should show up. What create a new circuit is going to let them do takes a while on my computer. I had to go on my limping computer because it has the recorder involved. What create a new circuit is going to let them do is we're going to be programming our C programming for this course on an Arduino simulator. So an Arduino is a very inexpensive processor that is open sourced, and there are tons and tons of tutorials and projects and different things for them. You do not need to buy an Arduino to do anything. This simulator will do everything in this course. The great thing is if they do become interested in getting an Arduino, it's $4 for an Arduino Nano right now. And they can get a full kit for under $40. It lets them build their own robots, their own whatever, and it's so much less expensive than some of those programming tools. And the great thing is that they're working with actual components. So to get started, you add a breadboard. Come on, there you go. So we added a breadboard, and then we're going to add the Arduino Uno R3. So this is a big Arduino Uno. You don't need to buy these. If you get interested, I'll show you about the Arduino Nanos and the inexpensive ones. Okay, and where we're going to code is in this code editor. And the code editor is going to let us learn to code in C. And we are going to, so this is the processor here. And so what we're doing when we're learning in this is they're going to be directly telling the processor on a much lower level, do this, then that. So it's very different than somebody who is, programming in JavaScript and is very far removed from the hardware. And the reason why is we're talking about a variety of computer languages and what they all have in common, and we'll learn to do various simple things in all three of these languages. And by learning how to do the Arduino, what we're going to do is turn some lights on and off, turn some motors on and off, and take some input from sensors, and that's about it for this. But that will give them a very good sense of what to do with C and why it's so great to do stuff in C. So that's really what your student needs to do. I'd appreciate it so much. I'm so sorry this is kind of a mess to get everybody set in. But as you log into that IDE one and you log into Tinkercad, just select Stay Logged In for your student, and then when they click on those links in the homework or something, that's going to take them directly there, and they'll be logged in with all of their stuff there, and they'll be able to find it. If at any time you become stressed, I did hear some stressed voices on the phone or on the call today, and a little bit of worry in the text chat, and please, I love to meet with students one-on-one. I do. We can do that by Skype. We can do that when the classroom is free. To do that, I have left Heather Johnson's email as a CC to this email, and she is co-teacher on the My Haiku page, and she schedules everything. So go directly to her. If you send an email to me and you don't CC Heather, I might lose it because things are, I'm focusing on some family stuff right now, but Heather will keep me sane. So whatever you and your student need, just send an email to Heather. You can CC me or not, and just say, please put this on this list. We've got to meet with her or whatever, and she will do a great job setting that up for me. Okay, that's all I've got. I hope to talk to you soon. Bye.